In this video, I will show you how to get the age from birthday in Excel using 3 different methods like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some birthdays in this column. Now I want to calculate the age from these birthdays. We can use the Excel DATEDIF function to get the age from the birth dates. The DATEDIF function returns the number of days, months or years between two dates. This function accepts 3 arguments: a start date, an end date and an optional unit. The unit argument represents the type of information we want the function to return. Here is the table containing various possible values of the unit argument. The values y, m and d returns the number of complete years, months and days between two dates respectively. Let's start the formula by typing an equal sign in the target cell. Now type DATEDIF followed by an opening bracket. Select the birth date and then type a comma. Since we want to calculate the age as of today, I will use the Excel today function which returns today's date. Type a comma and then type the letter y in the double quotes as the unit argument to get the difference in years. We can use the m unit argument to get the age in months or the d unit argument to get the age in days instead of years. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. Copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down from the bottom right corner of the cell. As you can see, we now have the age in years from the birthdays. To append the years text after the age, use the ampersand sign and then append the text years like this. We can also get the age in years, months and days from birthdays using the same DATEDIF function. Let's modify the formula to do that. We already have the year difference, so I will copy the DATEDIF function and append it to the existing formula using the ampersand sign like this. Since we have calculated the year difference, I will use the ym as the unit argument instead of m to get the difference in months by ignoring the years. Let's also change the years text to the months text. Let's copy the month part and then append it to the existing formula using the ampersand sign. To get the difference in days, I will use the md unit argument instead of the d argument to ignore years and months between dates. Let's also change the months text to days text. Hit the enter key to complete the formula. Copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down from the bottom right corner of the cell. As you can see, we now have the age in years, months and days from the birthdays. We can also get the age in decimal numbers like 15.5 years or 43.2 years instead of the whole years. I will use the Excel YEARFRAC function to do that. The YEARFRAC function returns the fraction of the years between two dates. This function accepts 3 arguments: a start date, an end date and an optional basis argument. Let's start the formula by typing an equal sign in the target cell. Now type YEARFRAC followed by an opening bracket. Select the birth date as the start date argument, type a comma and then type the today function as the end date argument. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. Copy the formula to other cells as well. As you can see, we now have the age from birthdays in decimal numbers. We can adjust the number of decimal places by formatting the cells. To do that, select all these cells and then press the Ctrl and 1 key on the keyboard to open up the Format Cells dialog box. Now click the number option from the left side. Type the number of decimal numbers you want in the decimal places text box. I will keep the default value of 2. Click the OK button to close the dialog box. As you can see, the age is now displayed with 2 decimal places. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.